An Italian researcher has successfully claimed a 1 Bitcoin bounty after using a public quantum computer to break a 15-bit elliptic curve key, marking the largest demonstration of its kind ever recorded. The historic milestone, backed by Project 11, publicly proved the specific mathematical approach that could eventually challenge the cryptographic security assumptions protecting the Bitcoin network. Security experts stress that this 15-bit achievement remains astronomically distant from threatening the robust encryption standards currently safeguarding billions of dollars in global digital assets. However, the successful crack transforms quantum risk from a distant theoretical concern into a practical engineering reality that protocol developers must now seriously address. As Bitcoin trades near $77,683 and Ethereum hovers near $2,320, investors are weighing these long-term structural risks against current market sentiment. With the crypto fear and greed index at 39, reflecting broad market caution, this quantum progress adds a new layer of uncertainty to the industry's decade-long security roadmap. Tom Lee's BitMine Immersion Technologies has snapped up another 10,000 Ether directly from the Ethereum Foundation, shelling out roughly $23.9 million to close the deal. This marks the second direct sale from the foundation to BitMine in just a few weeks, underscoring the firm's aggressive push to build a massive Ethereum treasury modeled after corporate Bitcoin accumulation strategies. The purchase highlights strong institutional demand for the second largest cryptocurrency, even as prices remain choppy across broader digital asset markets. However, the transaction is also sparking fresh debate about the Ethereum Foundation's governance, specifically its choice to offload large blocks to a single buyer rather than distributing them through transparent open market sales. With Ether trading around $2,320 and sentiment stuck in fear territory, BitMine's latest buy deepens its long-term bet that Ethereum will serve as a premier treasury asset for public companies seeking crypto exposure. Amazon Web Services has officially listed Chainlink Oracle services in its marketplace, marking a major milestone in enterprise blockchain adoption. The integration allows corporate customers to connect their existing AWS cloud infrastructure directly to blockchain networks using familiar tools, removing complex technical barriers for traditional firms. Companies can now feed verified off-chain data into on-chain smart contracts and decentralized applications without building custom middleware from scratch. This partnership represents one of the most significant cloud-to-crypto bridges to date, potentially accelerating institutional blockchain adoption by embedding Oracle capabilities within the cloud environments enterprises already rely on daily. In broader markets, Bitcoin is trading near $77,683, down about 0.3%, while Ethereum is up slightly to around $2,320. The crypto fear and greed index currently reads 39, signaling fear, even as privacy-focused Zcash leads notable movers with a 12.3% daily gain.